doesn't it? But you wouldn't know about that, would you?
Get down, you cat! We don't have time for this!
I'll get a ladder.
Look, genius, you're part of a TV show. You know what that is? Television is entertainment for people. It's fake! Nothing you think is real is real.
That's preposterous.
Think about it, Bull. Ever since you got lost, many of your powers working already. But for the first time, you're hungry, you're bleeding. Do you think you're really born with a birthmark in the exact shape of a lightning bolt?
It's my magical power, cat.
It's the mark of the makeup artist's dog. You're
Mittens, get down, you!
No.
Mittens, so help me or else will break your eye actually!
Yeah, go nuts. See how that works out for you.
You leave me no choice.
All the super barks. Scary, scary. Yeah, that one felt really super.
It's not true. This is not true.
Wow, that one felt really super. Wait, no it didn't.